In this lesson, I just wanted to show you the table that I use for collecting that demographic information. And if you notice, we're having a look at the top three groups. And this really matches our GAG pyramid. So we're looking at gender, age, and geography. Now, in some insights data, you'll find a couple of countries that you think, I want to market to those separately. And it's perfectly possible to construct your pyramid that way, particularly if you can get your hands on the extra sort of demographics data I spoke about. It just makes it a little easier to understand where the countries are in terms of their percentage of viewers. But if you can't access that, just go for the top country or the second country if you think that there's quite a lot of views. So I'm talking thousands of views here. And you can see what I've done here is that I've filled this in with home cinema, that being the niche. Like I say, it's a little more in depth than that, but just for the sake of this, I'll call it home cinema. And the first group is 45 to 54 and it's male. And the next one is 55 to 64 and male. And then group 3 is 35 to 44 and male. And because the other countries were India and France and there were language issues there, I'm just sticking sort of with a master geographic location, which is the United States. But like I say, it's perfectly possible if you see maybe Australia and New Zealand and the UK listed, that you might want to, if you had the actual data, assign that here. And I should just actually pop in here that this is also male. Anyway, you can download this table below in either Excel format or PDF format, and use it for building up your own information. So if you just gather the information about each of your niches, it's up to you. I mean, initially you can use it just to write down for each video and then just see if it's consistent. But ultimately what I do is, before you move on to the next niche, I just sort of average out the data in your head and say, well, this is the most common pattern, and just have that for the niche. So that might be all male, or maybe group 1 and 2 are male and group 3 is female. But this is really going to help you when it comes on to actually as choosing our product and selling our products, be it our own product or somebody else's. But this is a strategy that's going to work for any sort of marketing you can do. So again, it's really important.